Hello guys, if you want to use Lovable together with ChatGPT for enhanced coding and content generation, here's exactly how to connect them step by step. So if we go ahead and check if there are integrations available for ChatGPT, to do this, you go to your profile, settings, and then you go to connectors. This is also integrations. So as you can see, ChatGPT is not in the list here. So even if I press on view all, as you can see, it's not here. So instead, what we can do, just go ahead and search how to connect like this, and then click on the first link. As you can see, Planet with ChatGPT builds it with Lovable. So as you can see, we can connect our ChatGPT to Lovable easily, and as you can see, they say now you can send your greatest ideas into full stack apps straight from ChatGPT. Press on this button, and now as you can see, build something via Lovable or in Lovable, and now as you can see we can start building. So pretty much now our chat and our tool, now our ChatGPT understands that we wish to create by using Lovable, and now what's left to do is to just input your prompts. And also don't forget that if you wish to connect your account on Lovable, you'll need your ChatGPT API key from OpenAI. So to get that, you will need an account, then you log in, navigate to API keys, it's pretty simple, and copy that key to use in Lovable. And then in Lovable integration page, you just paste your key, and then you click connect or authorize. Lovable will verify the key and link your account. And also choose how you want Lovable to interact with ChatGPT. For example, generating code suggestions, writing scripts, or importing AI responses directly into your projects. And once connected, you can now use Lovable to send requests to ChatGPT, get AI-generated code, and streamline your workflow without leaving the Lovable interface. So that's it. Log in, enter your API key, configure your preferences, and start leveraging AI for faster coding. That's it for this one, guys. If you enjoy our videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.